India's Economic Growth and National Income Analysis. The Ministry of Statistics and Programme Implementation, MoSPI, recently released data on India's economy. This data includes estimates for the fourth quarter of the financial year 2024-25 and provisional estimates for the entire year. Measuring national income. National income is quantified primarily through two metrics: gross domestic product, GDP, and gross value added, GVA. GDP reflects total expenditures in the economy. This includes spending by individuals, governments, and businesses. In contrast, GVA assesses the contribution of each economic sector by calculating the value added at each production stage. Both GDP and GVA are interconnected. They provide complementary views of economic performance. The relationship can be expressed as follows: GDP equals GVA plus taxes minus subsidies. Nominal and real GDP. MoSPI presents GDP and GVA in both nominal and real terms. Nominal GDP is measured at current prices, while real GDP adjusts for inflation. Each type offers unique analytical insights. Provisional estimates are subject to revisions over the years. Initial estimates are released as first advance estimates, phase, and later updated to second advance estimates, SAEs, and provisional estimates, PEs. Key economic data for FY25. India's nominal GDP reached 330.7 trillion rupees by March 2025, showing a growth of 9.8% from FY24. When converted to US dollars, this amounts to approximately $3.87 trillion. This growth rate marks the third slowest since 2014 and the sixth slowest since economic liberalization in 1991. Real GDP, which reflects actual production, grew by 6.5% to 188 trillion rupees. This represents decline from the previous year's growth of 9.2%. The gap between nominal and real GDP marks the impact of inflation on the economy. Subscribe TapShiksha for more information and update.